I blank very well recently. Don't feel, I'm not feeling, haven't felt, haven't been feeling. Ang keyword natin dito, yung word na recently, which also means in the last few days or in the last few weeks. Kasi recently eh. So, yung action natin dito, nag-start siya prior to present, nag-start na siya in the past, pero until now, in the present, in progress pa rin siya. Ongoing pa rin siya. And again, kapag meron tayong action na nagsimula prior to now or prior to present and in progress pa rin siya or ongoing pa rin siya, nagpapatuloy, ang gagamitin natin is present perfect progressive. Has or have plus been plus verb in ing. Kaya ang tamang sagot, letter D. I haven't been feeling very well recently. Gumamit ng have kasi ang subject ay I.